Now, let me introduce to you about the wall pack and the feed trough. So how we install the feed trough and the wall pack. The wall pack we can see is 30 centimeter over these brackets. This distance is for you to install the water pressure valve. And after we place each row, for each row we place 4 pieces of the wall pack here. So after we install the wall pack, we confirm the location of the wall pack. We connect all the wall pack to the end of the chicken shed. So for the feed trough, the feed trough part is 10 centimeter over the bracket. So and later we connect the feed trough with the feed trough connector. After we finish all the install of the feed trough, to remember to install the stack of the front part and the back part so that it will not cause the chicken feed leakage.